What's up, guys? Here's another update on my Yamaha Banshee. When I first rode it, I seen that the clutch doesn't engage until I'm almost all the way out on the lever, and I seen that the gentleman before me must have kept adjusting it because it was wearing down over time, and the screw's all the way out. So I knew I was going to need a clutch soon. Well, here's the time because the clutch took its last breath. It's not shifting like it's supposed to. I think it's getting stuck between engage and disengage because it's almost worn out. So I went ahead and bought a new clutch kit from Driveline Performance. I chose Driveline Performance because when I went online and typed in clutches for the Yamaha Banshee, there's a couple of companies came up, but I seen Driveline Performance, so I went on their page, started looking around, and I liked what kind of clutches they had on there and what materials it was made out of. They also had a clutch basket right there for sale too that they make. So I called up Driveline Performance and talked to a gentleman named Wayne. He was very good. He helped me, great customer service. We went over what kind of mods I had done to my Yamaha Banshee, if it was bored out, if it had reeds, if it was racing application or not, and we came up with what kind of springs I would need for my clutch. So he helped me out a lot. He also told me, I asked him, what kind of training fluid do you use in this? Because I was going to go just 10W40, and he told me a lot of guys use Mobil 1 1040 Racing 4T. So there's a lot of controversy out there what kind of fluids you should use and what fluids not to use. So that's what he said to use. So it's already 1040, but this is actually made for wet clutches on motorcycles or four-wheelers or dirt bikes. So I went ahead and bought 2 quarts of this. So that's what I'm going to be using. So yeah, so I made an order with him. It came out. I went to pick it up at the post office, and here's the box. As I cut my finger off. Alright guys, here's my gasket right here. I also have, let's see here, shipping information, what I bought, how much it came out to. The clutch was $70, the gasket was $10, and the clutch basket was $159. Just so you guys know. I went ahead and just bought my clutch basket because always when you take your clutch apart on this Yamaha Banshee, it's got so much torque where it actually files into the side of the basket like little fingers. So I went ahead and just bought it, so when I take the clutch off, I'm not like, oh, I should have bought this and have to wait. Now I already have it here. I already know it's going to be worn, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw one in. Here's my cushions, my bolts. Here's your basket, and here's the plate, right here. It's high quality too. Alright. Here's your clutches, and here's the clutches, and here's the springs. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and install these. You guys could look at my next video I'm gonna have up there. It's gonna probably be me installing these. Alright, so there's my update. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.